I have a real fun bougie on a budget for you tonight. We all have parties, and with the holidays coming up, we're going to be hosting friends and family over. We're going to have cakes and pies and cupcakes and candy and all of this stuff that we need to display. Number one, I like to get those up off the table. I like to raise them a little bit, create some height. But maybe you don't have cake plates and cake stands and all of that stuff. So let me just show you with things that you can find around your home how to make some interesting cake and cupcake stands. And again, you can put candy, you can put a variety of things. Think outside the box. But anyway, first we're just going to make a holiday one real quick. I have a glass bowl, like just a glass fish bowl is what I would call this, and I have a red charger. You know, and if you have this and you don't have this was $2.49, guys. So anyway, you don't have to spend a lot of money. I am going to, because we're going to make it festive, I'm going to put some pine cones into the bowl. And I'm also going to add some little twinkle lights just to make this interesting. So I'm going to put those in there, and then I'm going to put in some pine cones. And then I have to be very careful. Uh-oh, they're all stuck here. There we go. Let's call that enough. And let's put these lights in here. Then I have to be very careful. I want to turn this upside down. You'll kind of see where I'm going with this. I'm going to take my hot glue gun. I'm going to put it on the top here. And you guessed it, I am going to glue this charger right on top. We got to get it centered. There we go there. And when I turn these lights on, look how nice and festive that is for the holidays. Super fun. And again, cakes, pies, cupcakes, super fun. This is holiday, but maybe you're having a theme party for a kid's birthday. Maybe it's a princess theme. Maybe you do pink and whites and feathers or greens, just something fun. Those little lights make it a lot of fun though, doesn't it? So that's one idea. Here's something we could do. You could have a bowl like this, or maybe even you have something like this that belonged to your grandmother. I'm going to take this little dish, little footed dish, I'm going to turn it upside down, and we can glue this, and look how nice this is. I really, really like that look. I could take this bowl, just like I did before, turn this upside down, and glue this here. But super, super nice. This might be the theme of your kitchen. A lot of people have the Delft blue and white tiles in their kitchen, so that might be very appropriate and look nice. So there we go. There's another idea. Maybe you have a farmhouse style, so maybe a candlestick instead of a bowl. So we have a nice chunky candlestick. And what's nice about these, sometimes these come in different heights, so you could do several layers if you'd like, and that would look super, super nice. We could do, I found another charger, $3.99. Got a piece of hot glue sticking off there. So we could always glue this to the top. Super nice, very farmhouse looking. But take a look at this farmhouse style. You add my glue. Talk about adding layers and height and just something interesting, but again, very farmhouse. I found this two-tiered stand, and we're glued there. Look how nice this is. I really like that. And again, this is a very farmhouse style that works with a lot of people's decor these days, but super nice, and we get really great height with that. Let's say we are going to have a princess theme. I found this nice pink little bowl. This is melamine, so it's lightweight. So I'm going to turn my bowl upside down. We're going to give it a nice shot of glue here. And then I'll take my plate, center it up, put it on there. Super nice. I didn't center that too well. There we go. Super nice. But let's say we want to doll this up a little bit. Let's say this is a princess theme. Maybe take some ribbon. I found some ribbon that coordinates really nice with this. Let's get off a nice big chunk so we can wrap it around there and make a nice bow. But especially if you have these solid colors, you might like to dress it up a little bit. So we're going to come in here. I like to find ribbon that has the wire on the ends because it helps make the bows a lot better. We're going to tie this in a knot. Make sure it stays. And then we can tie a bow. We can certainly, after we add this bow, we can add other pieces to this if we want it fuller. I don't think I added enough. But we can make a nice little bowl here around the bowl. But that just adds a little decoration, little something, so you don't have all of your flat color, but that's super nice as well. So I hope you enjoyed this bougie on a budget, and I hope you have some really fabulous parties coming up.